Hi everyone, good morning. I hope everybody is fine, healthy and safe. Today I would discuss the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist. As people are often confused between the two, or many of us believe that both are the same, but actually the difference is much there. So, who is a psychiatrist? A psychiatrist is a person who has an MBBS degree and does an MD in psychiatry in later life. He or she is skilled in dealing with assessments, diagnosis, and giving medicines for mental illnesses like depression, anxiety, panic attacks, addictions, psychiatric illnesses, etc. He gives limited psychotherapy. He basically dealing with biology and neurochemistry of the brain and the hormones. Next is who is a psychologist. A psychologist is a person who has a degree in psychology and can belong to both arts and the science background. He or she is mostly skilled in assessment, diagnosis and psychotherapy. Psychology includes clinical psychology, industrial, forensic, organizational, etc. All these fields are all included in the field of psychology. They all come into an umbrella term which is psychology. So I hope I could clear the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist. So when you go to a psychologist, it is obvious that you won't ask for medications from the psychologist. The psychologist, if needed medicines, the person will refer you to a psychiatrist and then the psychiatrist would refer you to the psychologist for psychotherapy. This is how the counseling process continues. I hope I could clear your doubts. Thank you.